Hello and welcome everyone. In today's video, I will show you how to export Google Gemini chats to Google Docs. So to do this, it's very simple. You have just to go to Google Gemini, and I already created the chat. So you will ask Google Gemini whatever question. So for example, I asked it like Gemini to draft project proposal for AI gym app. And of course, it will give me like a detailed answer. And if I want to take this answer to Google Docs, I have to click on the three dots on after the answer, like in the bottom of the screen. And after that, click on Export to Docs. And like that, Google Gemini, just in a few seconds, it will tell you that new document created, and you can click Open. And it will give you your document ready, so you can use it directly or install like the Google Docs app. So I will say no thanks. And you will find all of your document here. You can edit it, of course, do any edit that you want on that like document, or you can edit it also from Google Docs in your Google Drive account. I hope that you like this video. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel, to like this video, and see you in the next one.